class. In the previous video, we were looking into the chapter lesson number 6, the coastal plains and the islands. In that chapter, we have already discussed about the two different kinds of coastal plains, and that is western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. In that, we have also discussed about the Konkan coast, Malabar coast, and all. Now, in this video, in this week, we are going to look into the islands topic. We are going to discuss about Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island, which is the capital, and all we will discuss about that. And then after this topic, we will look into the life in the region. Means we will look into the how people live in coastal plains, how people survive, what are the crops that grows, how vegetation works, and what are the climate factors in coastal plains. So in this week we are going to cover this topic. Okay. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are the two main groups of island. And Andaman and Nicobar Island are in the Bay of Bengal. Means this island is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island is surrounded by Arabian Sea. Now first we will look into what Andaman and Nicobar Island has to say. So first, Andaman and Nicobar Island are the two groups of island. So it is two groups of island in Bay of Bengal, which is separated by 10-degree channel. The Port Blair is the capital of two groups of island. Andaman lies to the north and Nicobar lies to the south. Both group of islands are separated by 10-degree channel. And this Andaman and Nicobar Island has historical importance. Means it holds a historical importance. Means पुराना कुछ importance है इसका. तो the British government used to send freedom fighters to this island. तो वो importance क्या है कि British government जब इंडिया में रूल करती थी तब वो freedom fighters जो उनके against फाइट करते थे फ्रीडम के लिए उन्हें इस आइलैंड पे भेजा जाता था. They were kept in the cellular jail at Port Blair. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops grown here. Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Island which lies in the Arabian Sea. हमने देखा अंडमान एंड निकोबार बे ऑफ बंगाल में और लक्षद्वीप अरेबियन सी. Looks like a horseshoe. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. ये कवरट्टी है उस लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड का कैपिटल. द आइलैंड आर मेड ऑफ पोलर डिपॉजिट्स एंड स्प्रेड ओवर एन एरिया ऑफ 110 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एंड इट इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया. आई होप यू नो व्हाट यूनियन टेरिटरी इज. ओके, सो लक्षद्वीप इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन and only 10 islands have people living on them. And in this island there is only 10 islands that have people living on them. Coconut is the main crop and fishing is the means of livelihood of the people here. So what is the main crop that is grown here? It is coconut, and people survive with the help of fishing. Means their livelihood is earned with fishing. And this island are connected by sea and air routes with Mumbai and Thiruvananthapuram. Mumbai in Maharashtra and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. So in this blanks, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by 10-degree channel. Now we will see about life in the region. So parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are connected by the two coastal plains. These are the regions that are covered by two coastal plains. So first Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city, and near the city is located the Sabarmati Ashram, which was the house of Gandhiji for many years. and which is the capital city? Gandhinagar. And most of the people here are traders, means businessmen, and farmers. Farmers grow jowar, bajra, wheat, sugarcane and cotton. And Gujarat is popular all over the world for its dairy product. Anand is called the milk capital of India. So Anand Gujarat is called the milk capital of India. Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited, is a well-known brand of dairy product, means whatever milk related products. So Gujarat is famous for it. And Ahmedabad is the largest city and it is famous for textile centers, means it is famous for ये जो कपड़े जिससे आपकी ड्रेसेस बनती है, तो अहमदाबाद इज़ फेमस फॉर टेक्सटाइल. Gir National Park is also situated here. Gir National Park is in Gujarat. It is home for Asiatic lion and Gujarati is the language spoken here. And what does the man over here wear? They wear dhoti, kurta and a coat. And they also wear turbans or cap. मतलब हिंदी में पगड़ी. Turban means पगड़ी. Women wear sari, lehenga and choli. Garba is a popular folk dance of Gujarat. Okay, now we will see about Maharashtra. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and it is also called the commercial and entertainment capital of India. Why it is called so? Because it has the film city there. It is situated on the Konkan coast. We have seen about Konkan coast, right? It is in western coastal line. It has the largest seaport of India. Petroleum is found in Bombay High, a symbol near Mumbai. And Mahalakshmi Temple and Haji Ali are the two places of religious importance. There are many beaches in Mumbai. Mumbai holds many beaches and it is also called City of Dreams because of Bollywood. Means people who come there with their dream will get fulfilled. So it is also called City of Dreams. Now Goa. Goa lies to the south of Maharashtra and Panaji is the capital city. People of Goa are either farmers or fishermen. So the basic occupation of Goan people is either they follow farming or they are fishermen. Farmers here grow rice, coconut, mangoes and cashew. Fort Agoda, beautiful beaches and churches are places of tourist interest. Means Goa contains many beautiful beaches and churches, which is a major attraction among tourists. And Mando is a famous folk dance of Goa.